Hello everyone, this is Mehak Upadhyay, a legal internet access company. Today's topic of discussion would be regarding to the difference between pre-poll alliance and post-poll alliance, and we'll discuss some of the benefits of pre-poll alliance. What is a pre-poll alliance? When before the election a party comes into coalition with other opposing parties, and they both the parties, after this amalgamation between them, elect the elections, or went to for the elections as a single party. Then such coalition is known as post poll alliance. What is that coalition is known as pre poll alliance. Post poll alliance is when two parties, as in opposing parties, as in rivalry parties, contest the elections, and after the election result is announced, neither of the party secured the majority seats to form the government. Then they come into a coalition after after elections, so to form a common government in which the head was chosen from both the parties. So in that scene, that coalition is known as post poll alliance. So, but what is the difference between definitions are clear. Now, which one would be the better? From my point of view, pre-poll alliances are better, as they are given the even more weightage while calling the government for while calling the parties for making the government. In case of pre-poll alliance, the parties had sticking to the agenda, the propaganda of the election campaigns they have produced before the general public, before the election results were announced. So their genuine propaganda has been preserved even after this election results. But in the case of post poll alliance, the parties who were earlier the opposing parties, they were opposite to each other. They ready to confront each other on various issues and were pinpointing each other mistakes. Now they form a coalition, or and now promise to serve the government unitedly. So in that case, when their thinking, when their thoughts were not similar, was not same, or were not at the same footing before the election, then how could such a party would be competent to form the government if after declaration of election results, who was earlier the rivalry parties? For example, in Maharashtra, the Shiv Sena and BJP, they both were the opposing parties before the election, but after election results, neither party could secure the maximum seats to form the government. So they form a post poll alliance, and the CM was chosen from the Shiv Sena itself. So in that case, the general public cannot trust the words of those two parties, because earlier they were the opposing, now they are the together. In that case, they both are not, they are not the pre-poll alliance are most trustworthy in that sense, because they had stick to the agenda, the propaganda which they was earlier serving to the general public. Even the Supreme Court in Rajeshwaram case said that the parties go before the public with an agenda, and based on these agendas, on these principles, or based on the elements of their election manifestos, the parties vote the ministers or vote the members of these parties. So basically, the vote of the public is not for the member, but that vote is basically for the agenda, for the purpose, for the election purpose of those parties. And if the party have chosen the candidate, then they have chosen the candidate for fulfilling the promise they have made before them. So in that but in the post poll alliance, the parties what they were earlier promising, now they are just reversing it down the whole. Earlier they were saying that the opposition party are not good, so don't vote them. Now they, when the party have chosen them, now they come into alliance with that only party that party which they have neglected for them. So how the public could trust that government who had not who had not stick to its words. So in that sense, the pre-poll alliance is always better than the post-poll alliance, where the agenda, where the where the purpose of the parties are not clear, in that sense. Hope you like the video and I am able to clear my views. What do you think? Do comment in the comment section and subscribe the channel. Thank you.